welcome to Boyle County. This is our submission to the Reach and Teach program. I am your host, Junior, and I am a freshman at Boyle County.
Other host, Elizabeth, also a freshman at Boyle County. Today we're bringing you 4 segments. We have Cooking with Coach Lehman.
Factor Cap, where 3 of our students compete to see who knows the most random facts.
Challenge Accepted, where 2 of our students will compete in cooking.
And Extra Eats, where 3 of our students try to see who can eat a pizza the fastest.
We want to thank our sponsors, Caldwell Stones and Paradise Pools.
You will be able to learn more about our sponsors throughout this broadcast.
Junior, I think we have some great segments today. Which one do you think will be the best?
In my opinion, Challenge Accepted will be the best segment. I heard there is a surprise chicken soup in the segment. What do you think?
I think Extra Eats will be the best. I heard that segment is funny.
I haven't heard anything about that yet.
I guess you will just have to watch and see.
Yeah, I guess so. Let's head on to the first segment.
Hello, my name is Jason Hammonds, and I'm here with Coach Lehman for Cooking with Coach, and we're currently in the Family Consumer Science room making pancakes. So, Mr. Lehman, we're making pancakes here. What would be our first step?
Well, first you have to warm up the griddle. And then once you've done that, then you're going to mix up your batter. I'll make 6 to 7 pancakes. That's going to take 1 cup of mix. So then we're going to add 1 1/3 cup of water. That's 1. That's 1/3. 1 1/3 equals 1 1/3.
All right, Coach Lehman, now that we've added the water, what would be the next part of the process?
Well, then we're going to mix it up. Then we're going to do this. I'm going to take some water in my finger. I'm going to do this. Because I saw somebody do that on TV and they looked smart.
So, Coach Lehman, what teams do you coach?
Well, in my career, I've coached quite a few things. I coached football a little bit for 1 season. I've coached track for 10 years, but currently I just coach esports. And this is my 4th year coaching esports.
Sounds fun.
First, we're going to spray down the cooking surface so they don't stick. It's nice and hot, 375 according to the instructions. And then make your pancakes as big or as small as you want. And then once they start bubbling like that, they're starting to be good. I usually see, they're still a little soft, so give them a second. And then you just flip. All right, now we're going to make some chocolate chip pancakes. We're not going to make blueberry because blueberry sucks. There you go.
Yeah, it's really good. Thank you, Coach Lehman. It's so good.
Very good. 10 out of 10.
Definitely better than school food.
Yes.
Oh,
I will definitely give it a 10 on a scale of school food to my mom's pancakes.
Especially the chocolate chip ones. Those are good.
Chocolate chips are always a nice add.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Now I'm glad we didn't make the blueberries.
That looked like a lot of fun. I bet those pancakes were really good too.
Yeah, and I didn't know Coach Lehman coached football, track, and esports.
Me either. Sounds like he had a lot of work to do.
Yeah, and it was very nice for Coach Lehman to do that and to help us out with the pancakes. And we hope you had fun, Coach Lehman.
Yes, thank you so much.
Also, we must thank Mrs. Goodpastor for allowing us to use her room.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Miss Goodpastor.
That was a nice room. Which pancake do you think looked better?
I thought the chocolate one looked better because I like chocolate.
Me too, if you couldn't tell already. But anyways, let's head on to the next segment.
Hi, I'm Ella.
And I'm Michaela, and this is Extra Eats. In today's segment, we have 3 competitors going up against each other to see who can finish a pizza the fastest.
Also, a special thank you to Caldwell Stone for being our sponsor. What's your name and why do you think you'll win?
My name is Lee Sanchez, and I think I'm going to win because I was born in a Colombian household, and I was never allowed to leave the table before I finished all my food.
My name is Will Alexander, and I'm going to win because I didn't eat breakfast this morning, so I came prepared.
My name is Gabe Shelton. I'm going to win because my competitors are shorter than me.
Ready?
You got to give us the go.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
On your
3, 2, 1, eat.
Alright, I'm done. I can't do it.
The winner is Luis.
God.
That was an interesting segment. Now we're going to hear from our competitors and see how they feel. What was the worst part about the competition?
The worst part of the competition was I'm a very slow eater, and I was almost one slice done when Luis almost had 2 or 3.
The worst part for me was the amount of grease that was on the pizza did not suit me well.
And for me was the crust. I couldn't get it down really good because they were too thick. Ready?
And we want to give an extra thank you to Caldwell Stone.
Thank you.
Congratulations to Luis for eating a pizza the fastest. I was very impressed with everyone.
Don't give him too much credit. That looked like a piece of cake.
A piece of cake? I did not think that pizza was going to stay down. They all did an amazing job.
I could have done it way faster than all of them.
I would like to see you try.
Alright, I will later.
Okay, sure you will. Make sure you save me some.
Yeah, I will. Anyways, let's move on to our next segment, which is Challenge Accepted. Hi, welcome to Challenge Accepted, where we have 2 contestants battle to see the best cook is. Let's introduce the judges.
I'm Desiree. I'm a senior at Boyle County High School, and I'm judge number 1.
I'm your special guest judge.
I'm Naya Hutchins. I'm judge number 3.
Now let's meet the contestants.
I'm Ethan. I'm here to win, and I make a lot of omelets at home.
My name is Ashley. I'm a local chef at the restaurant in town, and I'm here to win.
Alright, so let's get cooking.
Here's my plan.
Yes.
I'm gonna make an omelet, right?
Yeah.
But then I'm gonna take the guacamole. I'm gonna add hot sauce to make it thinner. And I'm gonna spread it under the tortilla, put the omelet and the chicken in that, roll it up, done, easy.
Alright, Ashley, what are you doing?
So, I don't really have a plan right now. The first idea is just to shred the chicken, get that cooked. We'll figure out what we're doing with guacamole later. I think I'm just gonna do some type of like chips and guacamole because guacamole doesn't really go with tacos that way.
Okay, well this should be a very interesting challenge. We'll see.
Has mold on it?
Ethan.
I'm just rolling.
I know.
For my dish, I decided to use the guacamole in a more transformative way by mixing it with Tabasco sauce and using it as like a adhesive for the omelet on the tortilla. And then I added cheese and chicken to really round out the dish.
slap. This is so good.
Personally, it's not for me. I'm not an egg person.
No, I think the Tabasco in the guacamole is like very good.
It's kind of spicy, but I like the rest of it.
So I prepared a quesadilla style chicken and cheese taco with lemon pepper seasoning and sauteed onions, and then a nice little fancy glass of guacamole and tortilla chips.
Bussin'. I like the cheese. It's pretty warm. I enjoy that.
I think it's seasoned well. The appearance of it is nice, so.
I like the onions.
You will walk.
You ready? All right, let's give the judges a moment to discuss, and we will come back once they've made a decision.
I like Ashley's better. I think it was seasoned better.
Personally, I disagree with Desiree. I think that Ethan had the better dish just because it had more flavor to it.
I personally like Ashley's more. I don't really like eggs either, but I really like Ethan's sauce.
The winner is Ashley.
Yeah, let's go!
Tomfoolery.
Both of those dishes looked great. Maybe minus the guacamole though.
I can personally agree with that. I don't like guacamole's flavor. However, it still looked very appetizing.
I agree.
Besides that, the rest of the cooking looked amazing, especially the chicken.
Congratulations to Ethan for winning the competition.
Yes, congratulations to Ethan.
Ethan did a great job of cooking the food he made. It makes me want to get some food. I will have to get me some after this.
True, me too. Let's head on to the next segment.
Hello, and welcome to Factor Cap. We're going to have Saya and Eli competing today.
Alright, are y'all ready to do this?
Yeah, I guess so.
Is banana trees are the tallest growing trees in the wild?
I feel like that's fact because monkeys can just jump up and get their bananas.
Have you never seen a banana tree before?
Heck no, I ain't from the wall.
Alright, Eli's correct. Bamboo is the tallest growing tree in the world.
Man, this is rigged.
Now for the next one. The tongue is the strongest muscle in the body.
I think that's definitely cap.
Yeah, me too. That doesn't even make sense. Alright, I know this is weird, but the tongue is actually the strongest muscle in the body. No way. Next one. Coca-Cola was originally green. That's cap. That would just look weird.
I'm gonna go with fact.
Alright, well the correct answer was Coke was originally green when it was first produced.
Let's go.
Alright, your next question is, the kneecap is the roundest part of your body.
I think that's cap.
Yeah, I think that's cap. It would be your butt, right?
Yeah,
That's correct. The roundest part of your body is the gluteus maximus, which is your butt. So you guys tied it up, and now we're gonna have a tiebreaker. Your tie-breaking question is: pool water is safer to drink than tap water. What do you think, Saya?
I feel like it's cap.
I kind of feel like it's a fact because tap water is just like from the sink, so it just seems nasty. All right, and the winner is Eli. And speaking of pools, if you have any problems with your pool, hit up Paradise Pools at 502-249-2172. Now go get you a pool.
These are some of the pools that Paradise Pools has put in.
Back with our winner. Let's go, baby.
That was a good way to end it. That's all for Factor Cap. See you guys next time.
Well, this has been fun. My favorite segment was Extra Eats.
My favorite segment, without a doubt, has to be Cooking with Coach. That food looked so good. But anyways, thank you guys very much for watching.
I would also like to thank our classmates for being such good sports, and thank you to all our sponsors for supporting us in this video.
And leave a like and comment because it means a lot, and please get your friends to watch it as well.
And thank you to all the people who helped behind the scenes for our broadcast. Bye!